Hi everyone, my name is Manvi Kumba with the student ID 101412099, and today I'm gonna discuss about my assignment 2 for the Comp 3122. So let's discuss about that. So basically, a goal of this assignment is using the decision tree model in SK library. So we have two parts in this assignment, part A and part B. So let's discuss about the part A first and then follow up with the part B. So basically, in part A, we want to play outdoor tennis and some weather conditions such as low temperature, rainy, windy. These are prohibited us from playing. So these are the just few examples which we can find more columns. So basically, these are our features which we can create for our data set. And here they are saying to create a data set by our own. Okay, we will create that. And secondly, including three features such as any three features we can include, and then we have to add the 20 samples or the rows for the in the data set, and the labels including the canceling that we can play or no for with a yes or no or true or false. So let's discuss in detail by coding. So here you can see that I have created the 20 columns for the same in the data set with the features of temperature, humidity, wind, and then it's gonna be the target value is play, that either we can play or we cannot play, like play or cancel. It's like this. So let's discuss about the code in detail over here. So yes, here you can see about my code. So basically in this one, initially we have imported the libraries like pandas for manipulation, and then sklearn.tree from where we have imported the decision trees classifier. Okay, so you can see now we have to load the tennis dataset from the CSV file, which I have named it as tennisplayability.csv. And this dataset contains the features like temperature, humidity, and wind, along with the target variable, which is like it is playable, like we can play the tennis on that day or no. So I have shown you in detail for that one. So here I have written tennis data from pd.read csv tennis. So it's gonna be reading all the data from the csv file, which is named as tennis playability.csv. Then we are gonna convert the categorical data into the numeric values. For example, we map play into 1 and then cancel into the 0. And in the wind, we are gonna be say the yes as 1 and no as 0. So this is what we are gonna do here in the through the help of this line. And then we are going to defining the features and the target values. So basically, after converting the data, we define our features and our target values. So our features will be temperature, humidity, and wind. And then our then our target value will be the play. So then we can see over here that we can print out the first few values. Like we can print out the first few rows of the data set to confirm the conversions were successful or no. So here I have created the printed statement for the same one. So then we are creating a decision tree model that it fit using the tennis data or no. So here we are gonna do the same thing, and then we are gonna test it. So finally we test the model with some new samples. So here I have created some new samples, or you can say the data frame, which contains the test data for temperature, humidity, wind, and then the prediction for using the training model. So let's run this one and let's see how it works. Is it working or no? So it's taking some time. Just hold for a minute. Yes, and here you can see converted the TNS data, and you can see all the temperature, humidity, wind, and play. Okay, that's done. Now let's discuss about the part B for the same thing. So basically, it says please find or create a CSV file that at least have three columns, or maybe you can say it as the features, which has the 30 rows, and that can decide if a person is having the COVID-19 or not. Please use the 30% of the data set as testing and to show the variables accuracy. And now let's discuss about that one. So let's discuss about that one in detail. So here is the code for the same one. So basically, again, I have imported the necessary libraries here, like we are using pandas for data manipulation and analysis from the sklearn library. Then we have imported the train test dot split and to split our data set, and then our decision classifier to create a model, and then the accuracy score to evaluate the model performance. Now let's discuss about the COVID thing in detail. Now we load our COVID-19 dataset from a CSV file, which is I have named it as COVID prediction.csv file. And then let's discuss about that. So here is my file for the same thing. Let me close this. Okay. So here you can see in detail. So I have created the features like fever, cough, fatigue, along with the target variable, which indicates the whether the person has COVID-19 or no. So let's come back to our code here. Okay, so we have discussed about the code till here. So now we are gonna discuss about we have defined our features and target values. So the features are gonna be like fever, cough, fatigue, and then the variable is gonna be again our COVID-19. So I am again declaring the values or defining the values here, the features and the target values, and then I'm gonna splitting the data set. So basically we then split the data and like for the training and testing using the train test split. So I have did like I have set the data test size to 30%, meaning 30% of the data will be used for for the testing, while the rest will be using for training our model. So this is the code for the same. And then we're gonna train the model. So after splitting the data, we create an instance of the decision classifier to train it using the training data set. And now we're gonna test our model. So basically, we're gonna test our model here. So basically, we make some prediction and seeing the of the unseen data and evaluate the accuracy by comparing and predicting values. So this will give us accuracy of our COVID-19 like prediction model, allowing us to see how well it is performing. So let's see by running this one. So yes, so here you can see COVID-19 decision model accuracy is 1. So that's all for my assignment 2. Thank you and for watching.